everyone, it's Rachel from Merrick Makings, and thank you to Sherry Chapman for prompting this video. She saw this pretty in pink card and wanted to know how to create this fun fold. Now, I'm really lazy when it comes to a lot of fun folds and you know, doing all the measurements and things like that. So I tried to create this stepped card with really simple measurements that you can do on your trimmer. All of my instructions are at the bottom, but basically you have a standard card base, and you are going to score it almost in the middle, halfway across, and then cut down to that score line. That's going to create that valley fold for you. If you watch the video a couple of times, you'll probably get what I'm talking about, but it's actually not that difficult at all. I created it for the Sunday challenge, for the pink challenge, which created that birthday card. Give it a go. Be prepared that you might mess up the first time, and that's okay, but you can see how that stands up. The key to having it stand up really well without falling down is to burnish those folds really well, so that they're very, very tight. I am using the free DSP from the current SaleABration's catalogue. Spend in Australia, I think it's $100, and you can pick this 6x6 fabulous DSP full of the toadstools and all other fairy inspired kind of images, and you can pair it up with the Terrific Toadstools stamp set, which is in the mini catalogue. Now, I have added this window sheeting or piece of acetate. The original birthday one had one that had little gold dots all over it. This one, I'm just using a clear one. This gives you something to anchor elements on. So when the card is standing up, it looks like things are floating a little bit, but they're actually just on this piece of clear acetate. Now, if you don't have window sheeting, you can use the carrier sheets that stamps come on quite easily and cut that to size. I've just used the largest circle in my nested circles, I think it's called, dies, so it fits in that space perfectly. I did hand cut my toadstools this time. There is a punch that goes with this to create a stamp bundle, but I just found, because I was doing several of the different images, it was easier for me to cut. Now, just have a play with embellishing this. Use that acetate sheet to anchor some of your images on. I've used it for my sentiment as well. So this is quite a fun card, popping up to say hi. I do like that. It's a very funny way of just sending a hello card. Now, the inside of this, you can write as much as you like. When you'll see when I open it up, there's quite a lot of space. I don't like to write a lot of things on my cards, so I do add a matching DSP panel to the inside section, and it's exactly the same size as what I had created earlier. All of the sizes, like I said, are all my measurements are on the bottom of my page, and of course I'm in Australia, so everything is in centimetres, so please adjust if you use inches in your card making. And this is pretty much it. Thank you so much for joining me. I hope that somebody is inspired and gives this a go. Bye bye for now, and we'll catch you next time.